Hey, what's going on again, everybody? John here with Knight and Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing. Today we're showcasing the Retrax Pro XR. This is a 2023 GMC Canyon. As you can see, this has the T-slots in the rails. This is an all-aluminum, hard-rolling bed cover. Get the tailgate open here. As you can see, this is a manual cover. They do make this cover that is power. Give it a little shove here. Opens right up. It's got the drain tubes at the front of the bed there. We try to use existing plugs so we're not drilling holes into the new bed of this truck. You can stop this cover anywhere. It might be a little stiff for the first 24 to 48 hours as those ball bearings seat. But this is a premium cover. Got a $60,000 truck here, and you're going to want a premium cover on a premium truck. And as a thank you, we apply a 1-year ceramic coating to all bed covers that we install as a thank you to our customers. And you do have the ability to upgrade that to a 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, or 9-year ceramic coating. We do offer other bed covers in the Truck Hero brand of bed covers, whether it be Roll and Lock, X-Tang, Retrax, Bak Industries. The list goes on and on. We are an authorized dealer. If you'd like us to ship you a cover, we can drop ship anywhere in the United States at no additional cost to you. If you have any questions about bed covers, whether it be this one or any of the other ones we offer, or you have questions about your install and you're doing it yourself, please reach out to us at info@KnightAutoPCD.com. You can call or text the office here in Texas at 945-249-5429. We are located in Little Elm, Texas, just next to Frisco. We hope everybody has a great week. I appreciate everybody watching our videos. We will see everyone in the next video. Y'all have a great week.